Exercise 44. It's about a scatter diagram. The scatter plot above shows 8 data points in the XY plane. A line of best fit is also shown for the data. It's the red line seen. If each data point is shifted 2 units to the right and a new line of best fit for the shifted points is drawn, how will the value of the slope of the new line compare with that of the line shown? Will it increase? Will it decrease? Will it remain the same? There will no longer be a slope. Look, we know that each one of these 8 points should be shifted 2 units to the right. So it could be like this, like that, like this, perhaps like this, like that, like that, a bit like this, or like that. The slope or the line passing through them should be parallel to the one before. And this means that the slope should not change at all. So the right choice for this exercise would be C.